What happens when you start eating sweet potatoes every day? Sweet potatoes offer a delightful combination of delicious flavors and nutritional benefits, making them a versatile and popular choice for cooking. With their earthy and sweet taste, they pair exceptionally well with savory spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Often used as a healthier alternative to white potatoes, sweet potatoes provide numerous health advantages. There are over 400 varieties of sweet potatoes, all of which are rich in vitamin A, making them a valuable source of this essential nutrient. Additionally, they contain vitamin C, potassium, and beta-carotene. While sweet potatoes have slightly more calories than regular potatoes, they have lower starch and sugar content. As a result, they have a gentler impact on blood sugar levels compared to white potatoes. In this informative video, we will delve into the incredible health benefits associated with incorporating a sweet potato into your daily diet. Discover why this nutritious tuber is worthy of being a regular part of your meals. 1. Antioxidant powerhouses. Sweet potatoes boast a wealth of antioxidants, which are crucial substances that safeguard the body against damage inflicted by free radicals. Free radicals have the potential to harm cells and contribute to various diseases, including cancer. Fortunately, sweet potatoes are abundant in these valuable antioxidants. One notable antioxidant found in sweet potatoes is beta-carotene, which imparts the vibrant orange color to these root vegetables and plays a significant role in overall health. Beta-carotene, also known as provitamin A, is a pigment present in plants and is commonly included in multivitamins and dietary supplements. Within the body, it serves as a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, promoting the well-being of the skin and mucous membranes, and supporting growth, reproduction, and development during pregnancy. Furthermore, beta-carotene may possess anti-inflammatory properties by inhibiting inflammation-causing substances, known as hormone-like compounds, thereby reducing overall inflammation in the body. The inclusion of sweet potatoes in your diet introduces a range of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which can contribute to your overall health and well-being. Embrace the potential benefits of these vibrant tubers and explore how they can enhance your nutritional intake. 2. Good source of vitamin C and B vitamins. Sweet potatoes serve as an excellent source of vital nutrients, including vitamin C and various B vitamins. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your skin, bones, and tissues. It aids in wound healing, supports the absorption of iron, and contributes to a robust immune system. Sweet potatoes are a notable source of vitamin C, with approximately 28 milligrams found in 1 cup of boiled sweet potatoes. This amount accounts for about 34% of the daily recommended intake for individuals consuming 2,000 calories per day. The vitamin C content in sweet potatoes not only helps bolster the immune system but also promotes healthy gums, teeth, and aids in wound healing. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain around 20% of the daily requirement for vitamin B6, which is essential for mood regulation and maintaining normal brain function. Vitamin B5, another valuable B vitamin found in sweet potatoes, contributes to healthy skin and helps prevent acne breakouts. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, you can benefit from their substantial contribution of vitamin C, aiding your overall well-being, and supporting various aspects of your health, from immunity to skin health and beyond. 3. A good way to get lots of other nutrients. Sweet potatoes contain trace amounts of essential minerals such as iron, copper, zinc, and manganese. These minerals are crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing deficiencies within the body. The white flesh of sweet potatoes is notably rich in starch, which undergoes conversion into sugar during the process of digestion. However, sweet potatoes remain a valuable source of dietary fiber and offer slow-burning carbohydrates that provide sustained energy levels without causing abrupt spikes in blood sugar. With their low fat content and high fiber content, sweet potatoes are a favorable choice for individuals dealing with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. The abundance of fiber also contributes to the regulation of blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of diabetes. Sweet potatoes present versatile culinary possibilities. They can be prepared in various ways, including baking, boiling, or sautéing with a touch of olive oil for added flavor. They can be mashed as a delightful side dish or incorporated into soups to provide a thickening effect. You can even utilize sweet potatoes in baking, whether in bread recipes such as banana bread or pumpkin bread, further expanding their culinary appeal. Indulge in the delicious and nutritious qualities of sweet potatoes as you explore the numerous ways to incorporate them into your meals, unlocking their potential to enhance both taste and overall well-being. 4. Promote gut health. Sweet potatoes contribute to good health by fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which aids in combating infections and reducing inflammation. They contain a significant amount of prebiotics, which are dietary fibers that nourish and support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the colon. Regular consumption of prebiotics has been associated with improved digestive health, including the reduction of constipation and diarrhea. Moreover, sweet potatoes are abundant in resistant starch, another type of fiber that promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Research published in the Journal of Food Chemistry highlights the antioxidant properties of sweet potatoes, making them a favorable choice for individuals seeking to lower their risk of chronic diseases. These qualities establish sweet potatoes as a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals, you can enhance your digestive well-being, support a healthy gut microbiome, and potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Enjoy the delicious taste and nutritional benefits of sweet potatoes while reaping the rewards for your overall health. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potatoes are packed with carotenoids, which possess powerful antioxidant properties. These compounds play a crucial role in safeguarding the body against certain types of cancer, heart disease, and macular degeneration, a common eye condition. Research indicates that the consumption of sweet potatoes can contribute to the reduction of inflammation. This is attributed to the anti-inflammatory properties found in carotenoids. Fascinatingly, some studies suggest that the carotenoids present in sweet potatoes may offer comparable effectiveness to anti-inflammatory medications, but without the associated side effects. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, you can benefit from their abundance of carotenoids, which help protect against chronic diseases and reduce inflammation. Embrace the natural power of sweet potatoes as part of your journey toward a healthier and more vibrant life. 6. No blood sugar spikes. Apart from their notable anti-inflammatory effects, sweet potatoes have the potential to decrease the risk of developing diabetes by aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. While sweet potatoes contain more starch than many other vegetables, they are classified as low glycemic index foods. This means that they have a slower impact on raising blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic index foods. A study conducted in 2008 discovered that individuals who opted for sweet potatoes instead of white potatoes experienced lower blood sugar levels after consumption. Remarkably, this effect persisted even when participants consumed a high glycemic index food, such as bread or pasta, afterward. The researchers attributed this benefit to the presence of beta-carotene in sweet potatoes, which contributed to a slower digestion process, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels rather than sudden spikes commonly associated with the consumption of white potatoes. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, you can enjoy their potential to regulate blood sugar levels and mitigate the risk of diabetes. Embrace the nourishing properties of sweet potatoes as part of your overall strategy for maintaining optimal health. 7. Supported weight loss. Sweet potatoes offer a range of benefits for those aiming for weight loss. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with essential nutrients. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can contribute to a sense of fullness, aiding in weight management. Moreover, sweet potatoes have been shown to enhance metabolism and potentially lower cholesterol levels. One of the reasons sweet potatoes can assist with weight loss is their content of resistant starch. This type of starch is not fully digested or absorbed by the body but serves as nourishment for beneficial bacteria in the gut. As these bacteria break down resistant starch, they produce short-chain fatty acids, which can help reduce appetite and increase the feeling of satiety. By including sweet potatoes in your meals, you can benefit from their ability to promote a sense of fullness, boost metabolism, and potentially support healthy cholesterol levels. Embrace these nutritious tubers as part of a well-balanced diet to aid your weight loss journey. 8. Support healthy vision. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight, and sweet potatoes are an excellent source of this essential nutrient. Vitamin A supports the integrity of the cornea, the protective outer layer of the eye, making it more resilient against damage from ultraviolet light. It also contributes to the prevention of cataracts, a condition characterized by the clouding of proteins in the lens, often caused by prolonged exposure to sunlight or aging. Additionally, sweet potatoes boast a high content of vitamin B6, which supports the overall health of your eyes, particularly the macula. The macula is a small but vital part of the retina that is responsible for sharp vision. As we age, macular degeneration becomes a common concern, leading to gradual damage to the macula and resulting in vision loss. The macula comprises only about 2% of the retina but contains a significant 30% of its light-sensitive cells called photoreceptors. These photoreceptors relay important visual signals to the brain, enabling us to perceive sharpness, color, and contrasts in the objects we observe. When these cells malfunction due to aging or certain diseases, our visual acuity diminishes, and blind spots may occur. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, you can provide your eyes with the beneficial effects of vitamin A and vitamin B6, helping to maintain healthy eyesight and potentially reducing the risk of age-related vision problems. 9. Regulation of blood pressure. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can be an effective strategy for managing blood pressure due to their rich potassium content. Potassium plays a vital role in regulating the balance of sodium in your body. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to elevated blood pressure levels. Moreover, sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene, a compound that promotes the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a chemical messenger that helps blood vessels relax and expand, leading to lower blood pressure. This relaxation and dilation of blood vessels reduce the workload on the heart and the overall strain on the vascular system. A study conducted in Japan demonstrated the blood pressure-lowering effects of sweet potatoes. Participants were given boiled sweet potatoes weighing between 100 grams to 200 grams for a duration of 3 months. At the end of the study, the participants experienced a significant decrease in systolic blood pressure. By including sweet potatoes in your diet, you can take advantage of their potassium content and the beneficial effects of beta-carotene, potentially contributing to the maintenance of healthy blood pressure levels. 10. May have cancer-fighting properties. For a considerable time, scientists have recognized the anti-inflammatory properties of sweet potatoes. However, recent discoveries have shed light on their potential as an anti-cancer agent. Researchers have uncovered the promising notion that sweet potato extract could serve as an effective treatment for prostate cancer. In a study conducted on mice with prostate cancer, an extract derived from sweet potato leaves exhibited significant anti-cancer effects. The extract was found to inhibit cancer cell growth by an impressive 90%. Furthermore, the researchers observed a notable reduction in inflammation by 50% in the mice treated with the extract, compared to the untreated animals with cancer. These findings highlight the potential of sweet potatoes as a natural resource in combating cancer. The research suggests that the extract derived from sweet potatoes possesses anti-cancer properties that could be harnessed for therapeutic purposes, particularly in the context of prostate cancer treatment. 11. May enhance brain function. Studies have revealed the potential of vitamin A in sweet potatoes to positively impact cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Researchers propose that incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet may have these beneficial effects. In one study, scientists investigated the impact of sweet potato antioxidants on mice with symptoms similar to Alzheimer's disease. The findings indicated that the antioxidant activity of sweet potatoes enhanced cognitive function in the mice by mitigating inflammation and oxidative damage to nerve cells. Another study demonstrated that consuming sweet potatoes improved memory in individuals with mild cognitive impairment, which is often considered an early stage of Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia. Sweet potatoes not only offer exceptional nutritional value but also boast a delightful taste when baked or roasted. It is advisable to avoid adding sugar or oil during the cooking process, as these additions introduce unnecessary calories and fat to this already nutritious vegetable. Peeling sweet potatoes should also be avoided since their skins harbor numerous nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. Removing the skin may result in the loss of these valuable components. Whether boiled, baked, or fried, sweet potatoes remain a versatile food that can be savored on their own or incorporated into various recipes. If you seek an excellent source of fiber, look no further than the sweet potato. This incredibly versatile and healthful vegetable can make a valuable addition to your diet. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.